Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing my monthly Boxycharm unboxing. If you are new to my channel and you haven't seen my previous unboxings, I will leave them listed down below. Boxycharm is such an amazing deal. It's a $21 a month subscription box and you get 4 to 5 deluxe to full size makeup products. So if you're just interested in trying out new makeup products for a fraction of the price that you could pay at the store for them, definitely sign up for Boxycharm. It is really worth it. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my box this month, then go ahead and just keep on watching. So the card this month looks like this. The theme for this box this month is Au Naturel. And we have some really good products in this box. I quickly added everything up together and my box's value is $128, which is so insane. I cannot get over how good of a deal these boxes really are. So the first thing that I got in my box is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. I'm super excited for this. I love face masks so much. I am so excited to see what this will do for my skin. The claims on it are, it says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Which all of that sounds super amazing to me. I'm always looking for products that make the skin more radiant and more hydrating. So I'm super excited to try this out. I don't think I'm actually going to put it on my face right now, but I will just put it on the back of my hand just to see what the texture is like. I like to kind of test out these masks off camera, just to see, you know, how they really affect my skin over time. And that's what it looks like. It looks like it's going to be a very hydrating mask. It feels very soft. It almost feels like a lotion. That's what it looks like. Ooh, and it smells really good too. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It just smells like clean and fresh. This mask retails for $35. The next thing that I got in my box is the Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. Now this looks so pretty. I know Butter London does make a really nice eyeshadows, and this palette just looks so beautiful. You could really take this palette from day to nighttime, so I'm really excited to play with this. And we also got the Luxie 3-piece brush set, and this is $30. So in this 3-piece brush set, you get a foundation brush, more of a bigger fluffy like crease blending brush, and a lid brush. I think I am going to be using these two for my eyes, and then I will apply some foundation with this. So before we go on to the other products that I got in my box, I am just going to do a little eyeshadow tutorial. I'm just going to point to some of the colors in the palette and apply them on my eyes. I'm not going to go really in depth with it. actually honestly surprised at how well these eyeshadows applied on my eyes. This palette is actually really, really good because I did not really give this eyeshadow palette a fighting chance to begin with. I didn't put any concealer down on my eyes. I didn't put an eyeshadow primer at all. This is literally just on my bare skin, and these shadows really did apply beautifully. They don't look patchy really at all, which is very surprising, and I only used these two brushes that I got in this Luxie 3-brush kit. So I'm honestly so surprised. I can't wait to test this out more like on an everyday basis because I think this is actually going to be a really beautiful palette. So I quickly popped some mascara on just to make myself look a little bit better. I am going to quickly apply some foundation, and I am going to use this brush, but I want to give this brush a fighting chance, so I am going to be using a foundation that I know and love, and I know that it looks beautiful on my skin. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Fresh Wear Foundation. This is like my go-to holy grail foundation right now. And so I pumped some on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to dip right into that. I'm not gonna lie, these types of brushes are not my favorite for applying foundation at all. Usually they leave like brush streaks on my face. So I'm usually more of a sponge girl, but we're gonna give this one a go today. Okay, so this brush is okay. It's not the best foundation brush I have ever tried. It did really place down the product on my face. However, it's not looking great. This foundation usually just looks so smooth and airbrushed on my face, but you can definitely see streak marks from the brush. Now that is something that I usually, like, it just happens to me with every brush that I use. Even if you really like dab it in, like I was trying to make this brush work. I was really trying to just press it into my skin instead of like pulling down and dragging. But all in all, it still just doesn't look great. I definitely just want to go in with a sponge and just press over it lightly just to give it that smooth finish. So all in all, I will probably use this again just to place the product on my face, but do the rest of my blending with a sponge. So all in all though, Luxie brushes are really, really nice, and I am super excited that they were included in the box this month. Alright, so I quickly applied the rest of my face makeup. I will list the products that I used down below in the description box in case you are interested. And I'm going to move on to the last two products that I got in this box. I got the Appeal Gel Eyeliner. It says line and define your eyes or lips with your new Appeal Gel Liner. So this is really interesting. I got it in the shade Desert Taupe, and I'm really torn between whether or not I want to use it as a lip liner or an eyeliner. So I'm gonna take the packaging off of it really quick and decide. This, by the way, it retails for $21. Oh, and it's just like a really like chocolatey brown color. Ooh, and it's very, very smooth. That's what it looks like swatched on the back of my hand. I really think that I want to use this as an eyeliner, honestly. Ooh, that's actually very, very creamy. I actually really like this liner. I'm glad that it's not a wooden eyeliner. It's like a, well, you still have to sharpen it, but it's not wooden at all. I love the gel formula on this. And the last product that I got in my box, which I am so excited about, is the ALAMAR Causemetics Mother of Pearl Gloss. This retails for $10, and I got the shade Sirenita, I think is what it's called, and it's just this very pretty pink gloss with a like fiery orange undertone. It just looks so pretty, and it looks so shimmery and glossy. I can't wait to put this on my lips. This is one of those glosses that you just want to keep on layering and layering and layering on your lips, but it honestly does not feel like a lip gloss at all. It just feels like a balm on your lips. It's not sticky, not tacky. It just feels so nice. I'm honestly so in love with this. I want to run and grab all of the other shades that she has. Yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!